Guys, welcome back. Let's unbox this my gift from home. It traveled from home to Texas and here. Let's unbox. That's my joy. Whenever someone is going home, I will send them for some goodies, special ones from home. And guess what it is? It is dry fish. Let's show you special kind, very fresh, roasted to perfection. It's not all these ones we see here. This is right from the riverine area. Harvested right from the river, not in the farm. These are the real fish. It's not tilapia, it's not catfish, it's azwasa, special kind of fish. And only the kings and queens eat. Here we go. This is special, and I'm thankful for a friend that brought them back for me and her sister, my dear lawyer, that gathered all this for me. Let me show you. Isn't that something? Let's see what is in this one. Wow, this is also special kind of crayfish. It's already blended, dried and blended, You just scoop and put to your soup. It tastes wonderfully well. Let's just put them in the... I want to put it in the basin so I can show you how well grounded it is. Look at that. So thankful, I couldn't go home, but hey, I got some stuff from home. It will last until either I goes or someone else goes, No harm in trial. You just ask, and you shall receive. Father, thank you for this gift from home. Thank you for this special friend that was able to bring them back. Thank you. Look at that. This crayfish is special. It is special. My God, it tastes so good. Look at this fish, how fresh it is. Huh? Dried to perfection. Let me eat a little piece. My God, my God. Special. So thankful. These are the two things. I asked for three things, so one is still on its way, and that is a goosey. Still on its way, so I'm thankful. Now you don't finish all your fish, is for cooking. Oh, this is so special. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel.